Okay, found this selfie stick thing here. I'm gonna go check the boat. Found the stick in our stuff that we just sent here. Let's go out here and check the boat. It's not that hot out. It's been raining off and on, but right now it's pretty nice. Okay. This guy's been working on the boat. We got Ibuki and Ricky and Ruben. The captain, Captain Ray. See, we're putting the epoxy on there. The second coat on the bottom and the first coat. Is that second coat?
First coating. First.
First?
Yeah.
Oh, first coat. Do we have to get a number for it also? Register?
Number 2 ay. Hey. Number sa.
Should write the number down.
Registro ba? Oh, mura siya. Isuwat. Isuwat. Kaya kasi niya kita ang registro. Okay lang. Registro bilin pambutan ni kay. Ugay ko kako. Numero ay. Napa man suwat diri dapat ta, kawapan.
What is that? 55
number.
5562015 2015? Is that the, huh?
15. Ato lista.
Yeah, we picked this boat up not far from here. Tomorrow we'll go get some bamboo up the river. And the motor's over here. Here's the motor. The drive shaft.
Ha? Lagyan na, hindi bukat isang mamot. Talaga naman ugan ng pintala. Na may tinin. Ano pa na siya mo, kuhan kayo? Dugay na siya maugan ng kuhan kayo. Obnar, ramning nga kuhan.
Yeah, block the water. Keep the water from going in.
Yeah, no, water is not inside.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Some of our fishing gear. Got it. Sean's got it all rigged up for tuna already. Brand new. There's the other one. Here's my bike. One of them. Anyway, this is the beach we're gonna keep our boat on, somewhere down here. It's Sunday, so a bunch of families down here. So, see, our boat's bigger than that one. That's where we're headed, out there. Hunt for tuna. There's Kalungaman. So by maybe by this time next week we'll be out there. Boy, that thing's all beat up. See you later.